Woohoo from Texas Harris here. Wow, that's a lot of frames coming into the Ford plant here in Louisville. Holy cow, that's a lot. And I think they're going to park it right next to me. I think. Well, let's just hope the hell they know when to stop. Right? I have to go to extra wide lens to get the whole damn thing in here. Hope they don't fall over. The last thing. Oh, damn it, he stopped too soon. Shit, I meant. Wow, look at all those frames. Oh, wait. Still coming. Ah! Don't get me. Cool. Woohoo from Texas Harris. Talk to y'all later. Bye.